Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. This is a budget-friendly cordless screwdriver from Tuoye tools. Is it any good? Let's find out. The package comes in a bubble wrap container inside a plastic bag as per usual. The product comes in with a carry case. These are the specifications of the device. Just pause the video and read it. Same stuff on the back. Okay, here's the carry case. Here's the user manual. Don't need that. Some bubble wrap. Clearly, some bits fell off their rightful places during the delivery. Here's the cordless screwdriver with rubber grips. The LED light. The battery indicator. It's powered up already. The clockwise pin. The anti-clockwise or reverse. The specs again. Here's the charging port. I think there is no off and on button on this device. Trying out some bits. And these are the two free drill bits. Alright, time for some testing. Now testing the LED light. Well, turns out the LED light is a little misaligned. Still gets the job done though. Testing the drilling power of the device. The test is being done on my wooden drawer with a 1-inch thick plywood. There you go. Easy. Now testing the screwing power. Whoops, can't even screw it perfectly. Now I'm just gonna put the screw on the hole that I drilled earlier. Easy. Now reverse. Now let's check if the items in here are complete. 1-piece cordless screwdriver, 28 pieces of 25mm driver bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 8 pieces socket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 4 pieces of 50mm driver bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 pieces drill bits. 1, 2. 1 piece holder or extension. And finally, 1 piece adapter for the sockets. The 28 pieces of 25mm driver bits contains 6 hex bits, 7 Torx, 4 posi drive, 4 Phillips, and 7 slotted bits. So I bought this monitor about 5 years ago, and yesterday I thought it was the last day of its service. It's not powering up. Of course, not knowing what happened made my mind itch and decided to open it up and do some troubleshooting. Sort of. I wiped the dust off, looked for some screws that may be hiding. This is the first time I am opening it. Decided to get my prior tool since I can't seem to find any screw that might be holding it together. But first, I need to get the stand out of the way. I'm going to try this posi drive bit first and connect it to the extension. Well, looks like I picked the wrong screwdriver bit. I'm going to try this Phillips drive bit number 2, the most common driver size. There you go. Now it's time to pry it open. Whoops! Finally! Whoa! See this? That's what 5 years of vaping inside my room did. It formed some sort of condensation near the exhaust fins of the monitor. Gonna get some tissue. Oh, that's nasty. Luckily though, it did not seem to affect the main electrical components. This is the power button. Maybe the connection got loose or something. I'm going to wiggle the connection a little bit. Everything seems to be okay though. Nothing looks burned or something. I'm going to try and power it up. Alright, it finally turned on. Now, I'm going to try it again but with the PC turned on. Still working!
Very nice, very nice.
Time to put it back together and see if it still works, just to be sure.